Your wallet. Assets across chains. Under your control. Tap swap. Select cross-chain. Cross-chain. Swap across blockchains, no bridges, no middlemen. SOL to ETH. Choose your pair, 20+ tokens across chains. Enter amount. Live rates, no hidden fees. Review swap, minimum received, network fee. Confirm, your passcode, your transaction. Routing cross-chain, XSPA confirms on-chain now. Routing on-chain, confirming across chains now. Swap successful. SOL sent, ETH incoming. Watch the ETH land. Cross-chain transfers settle separately on-chain. Done. 0.0195 ETH received. Non-custodial, no compromise.